Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today we have such a fun little box. It is the Cut the Crap Organics Lips and Lather box, so let's get into it and I'll tell you all about it. The Cut the Crap Organics Lips and Lather box is a perfect subscription box. It comes each month. You will receive 2 organic products. You will get a homemade, handmade bar soap and lip balm. One of the main things that I love about it is that it's natural ingredients and botanicals that you can trust. You know, we use so many things. Like now, I have no idea what's in this lipstick that I'm eating. I just like knowing that it's better for me. I mean, we're basically consuming our lipsticks, we're rubbing our bodies with the soap, and who doesn't want to know that it's better for you? Look how cute it is when you open it up. And this is this month's. Let's read all about it. I don't know what it is. It's a surprise for me. April Lips and Lather. Have you ever thought about all the delicious things that we pick from the trees and bushes that are delicious and nutritious? Plants just magically produce these grows and then we can eat them. How wild is that? This box is inspired by all the delicious fruity gifts that we enjoy. We have a dragon fruit soap. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? That's the other thing, is they are so fun. It looks like dragon fruit. Let's take it out. We want to see it and we want to smell it. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. I love that. Here, let me see if I can slide the, well, let me show it to you first. That's what the label looks like. I was going to take the label off and see if I can give you a full-on view of what the soap looks like. I don't think I can take it off without ruining it, and I want to keep it nice for the flat lay, but you can see that the creaminess looks like it has little seeds in it, and it's pink for top and bottom. There's a little bit of green on top, and the ingredients are coconut milk, organic coconut oil, organic olive oil, organic palm oil, sweet almond oil, organic castor oil, mica, poppy seeds, and 100% natural fragrance oil. See what I mean? It is so good for you. Oh, it smells so good. Dragon fruit soap is scented with a natural fragrance blend that smells like a tropical smoothie. It does. It is made with coconut milk, which helps make the bar extra creamy and moisturizing. You guys know, we've talked about on the channel a million times. I love handmade soaps. I mean, we shower every morning, and this just is just one of those things that you pop into the shower and it just makes you smile. You see it and it's so pretty. It smells so good. I love that. And then we have Tutti Frutti Lip Balm. And that is what that looks like. And it is just a clear lip balm. Let's go ahead and put some on. I have some lipstick on, but this can't hurt. Oh, I love that. It doesn't feel like chapstick. Oh, and it tastes good too. That's nice. Give my lips just a little bit of shine. That smells so good. Let's see what she says the flavor is. Please don't be grapefruit. Please don't be grapefruit. Tutti Frutti Lip Balm is made with kiwi seed oil, which is high in healing vitamin C. It will leave your lips happy and scented with a delicious medley of mango, that's what I smell, banana, and lychee. I hope you enjoy this fruit-themed box and it inspires you to think a plant next time you see one. But see how cute this box is? It is $14 per month. I have a code Catherine10. I will put it down below. It will get you 10% off your first box, and it is just that simple. And I love that about it. This is what her little card looks like. So I want to thank Krista. This box was sent to me for review, and I want to thank Krista for sending this over. I will thoroughly enjoy both of these products. This is a great place. If you've always thought about doing a subscription box and you've never done one, this is such a fun place to start. Or even if you have several and you just like the idea, like I do, of having cleaner, organic products to rub all over our body. I wanted to say that a different way, but let's be honest, that's the way to say it. I have this on my lips. We know what's going to happen. I'm going to lick my lips and I'm going to be eating this. And I would rather it be kiwi oil than phenyloxymelcolone. Go ahead, look that up. I'll wait. All right, I might have made it up, but you get my point. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. Again, I want to thank Krista for sending this over. It is the Cut the Crap Organics Lips and Lather box. I will put the link and my code below. It will get you 10% off your first box. And I hope you have a great evening. Bye, guys.